mopping, 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 all of a sudden, broken. What do you do? You throw it away and buy another one. What do we do? Our aim is to make this stick long again. I want to make it to be straight again and long so that I can be easy to do the mopping. Okay, so what we want to do is to replace it with another one. So we want to find a way how we can continue to use this. Yes. Watch the video to the end and see what we are going to achieve. What I want to do now is to replace the mopping stick. Placing this stick, I'm screwing it out, and then this one for the brush, sweeping brush. I need to use it to replace one of the mopping stick. Okay, so this one is fine, right? Then we have one old mopping stick here. For this one to go in, we need to cut part of the wood away. Right? Okay, very good. Very good. Very fine. So the mopping stick and the scrubbing brush, they're all here. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Very nice.